Never leave a safety switch bypassed after troubleshooting because temporary bypasses can become permanent hazards. Safety switches are designed to protect people and equipment by detecting faults and disconnecting power quickly. When you bypass a safety switch, you remove that protection and increase risk of electric shock, fire, or equipment damage. Always de-energize the circuit before working and verify isolation with a properly rated tester, then restore the original wiring and functionality immediately after testing. If a switch is defective, replace it with an identical type and rating rather than using a workaround. Carry the failed part to a supplier or electrician so the replacement matches voltage, current, and trip characteristics. Label any temporary work clearly and document what was done, who authorized it, and when it will be rectified so the bypass does not get forgotten. Use lockout tagout procedures where available and keep key or tag control with the authorized person until the device is returned to service. Common mistakes include leaving a bypass in place after troubleshooting, which is often resolved by restoring the switch part of the final task checklist and confirming functionality before leaving the site. Another frequent issue is using incorrect replacement parts or jury-rigging connections, which you avoid by matching specifications and using rated terminals and connectors. If unsure, consult manufacturer documentation or a licensed electrician. A third concern is failing to test the restored device under load. Simple verification involves powering the circuit, applying a controlled load or test procedure, and confirming the switch trips and resets correctly, and if it does not, remove power and do not place the system back in normal use until repaired. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for repairs and replacements related to safety switches and other electrical work, and we connect contractors with potential clients seeking those services. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share experiences, ask questions, and offer practical advice about safe troubleshooting and proper restoration practices.